The streaks or bands filling material in the rocks are called veins. When the thickness is greater than 20 centimeters, the veins in rock area called fissure veins. The phenomenon due to which a mineral shows rainbow colors is iridescence. The removal of particles of dust and sand by strong winds is called deflation. Type of erosion involving rubbing, grinding, abrading and polishing the rock surfaces by any natural agent, wind, water or ice, with the help of its lead while passing over the rocks is termed as abrasion.